Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing something really fun and easy. I'm going to be using the Mermaid Lagoon set. This is new, it just came out. It's a chameleon set. It comes with 4 colors. They're interference chameleon colors or interference micas, and what that means is that if you were to put it over a light color and say this one color shifts, I don't know if you can see that. It color shifts from blue to purple. So if you were to put that over a light color, say white, you mixed it in your resin, you put it over white, it would look white, but it would give the sheen. It would color shift in the sheen. But if you put it over a dark color, like I did here, then the color really bursts, it pops. So that's what an interference color is. So anyways, I'm gonna do something different. You can use interference colors many ways. Like I said, you can mix them into your resin and put them onto something, pour them into something, or you can brush them in your molds. And that's what I'm gonna do today to get these little mermaid tails. And so I got these mermaid tails online at Amazon. They came in a set of 2, one big one and one little one. And I have just a bunch of little ones. So I'm going to show you how to brush these in and get these pretty little mermaid tails that color shift. Chameleons. So the first thing I'm going to do, I mixed 2 ounces of resin. I'm using KSRESIN and I'm using the art resin. And I mixed 2 ounces. This is a cool new stir stick I got in the shop. It's flat, it's bigger for bigger projects. I still love the little hand, but I love this for bigger projects. And you can get the stir stick and you could get the Mermaid Lagoon Chameleon set in my shop and a lot more stuff. And it's at islandmicasandmore.com. So anyways, we're gonna color this resin. And you should have gloves on. I do not, I'm terrible. And I'm going to use some Caribbean turquoise from Island Micas. These are cool little scoopers I got. I've had them in for a while. Like it better than using the bag. And I'm going to add a little bit of black to it because I want it to be dark. This one is not in a scooper. So I'm just going to pour it in there. This is Sea Slug. That was Caribbean turquoise. And I'm just going to mix it up. And it's really just a dark, really pretty blue color. If you wanted to do green, you could do green. I mean, but you're not really going to see the back that much. Depends what you're making with these. You can make magnets. I will leave a link in the description to the magnets. Let me see if I can find one to show you. So these are the little magnets, and I just use this is Gorilla Glue, and it's like precision tip, and you know it's just a little magnet. So you can make magnets with it. I'll leave the link for the magnets, or you can make key rings, keychains. And the deal with the keychains is right when you demold it and it's still a little bit soft, you want to do it early, then they screw into the top up here. I haven't actually made a keychain yet, but I've seen a lot of people do it. So anyways, we're not going to use any heat today, and like I said, this is going to be super easy. I'm going to get a really soft paintbrush. This is probably going to be one of my fastest tutorials. This one is Mermaid Tears, and this one is a blue that shifts to purple. And I'm literally just brushing it in and spreading it around the mold. And I'll try to get this closer for you. You don't want to leave big clumps of it in there, because then you'll see it. It'll turn out like, it'll have like white clumps in there. So you just want to spread it real good and just make sure there's not a lot of clumps. There's a hamsa that I got from the Resin Queen, a hamsa mold. I don't have it in here right now, but I did some chameleons on that and it was really cool. Maybe I'll do that in a different video. So then I'm just gonna wipe my brush off and I'm gonna go to the next one, and this is Mermaid Lagoon, and this is a green color. And so the first one I did was the Mermaid Tears, and that's a blue that shifts to purple. And then this one is Mermaid Lagoon, and I named it that because it's green and it shifts to gold, so it reminded me of a lagoon. It's so pretty. All right, so Mermaid Lagoon. Just put some on your brush, dip it in, and brush it. These micas have larger particles and they fly in the air, so you might want to wear a respirator while you're doing this if you're really you know, sensitive. You can wear a respirator. And I'm not using any heat today, like I said. So anyways, I'm wiping it off. This one's Mermaid Dreams, and this one is a green that shifts to purple. And I'm probably in this light, you guys aren't seeing this too good, but I'm gonna have, of course, like always in the beginning of my videos, if you look at the pictures, you'll see the pictures in the videos. You'll get to see the colors better. So I'm just brushing it in. Super easy. And it's crazy that it turns out green, right? It looks white, but it's gonna turn out green. Some chameleon colors look really pretty over a lighter color. So if you wanted to put a lighter color, say a white or a pearl, you can try that. And then the last one is Mermaid Kisses. So like I said, this is my Mermaid Lagoon series, and Mermaid Kisses is a purple that color shifts to pink. I'm like in love with these. I want to try to put some on some tumblers. So Mermaid Kisses. And my resin's just sitting over there chilling. Just make sure everything's covered. I like to get the sides. Just spread it around. Wipe between every one, and I'm just going to go back over. Make sure I spread it everywhere. This is so pretty. This one is the Lagoon, Mermaid Lagoon, and it's like green to gold, but do you see the gold? Love that. Okay. And then I'm going to take my resin. Make sure the mica is stirred well in there, or mica powder will float up and leave icky little floats. And I'm just going to fill these up. And I love this stick. It's just drizzling off the stick. Super easy. If you go off a little bit, off of the mold, it's super messy, but it's fine. When you demold it, you'll be able to peel that little corner right off. And I'm just filling them up. Last one. And this time with this kit, I have them in kits, and I actually have each color sold separately, so that's pretty awesome. I had a lot of people asking for stuff that was in the kit, so I decided to get a little extra. They wanted more. Okay, so now I'm just gonna leave these and come back in the morning and demold them and show you what it looks like. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the morning. Bye, guys. I'm not done yet. It's not the morning, but I just wanted to show you this. I had a little bit of the green left over, so I wanted to put them in this heart mold. I got this heart mold for my Valentine's Day kit so that I can put Valentine's Day magnets in them, and look how gorgeous they are in there. I also got this heart mold on Amazon, and there will be a link to them in the description box with everything else. But you can really see the color change in there. So we will demold these also tomorrow morning. I can't wait. See you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, good morning. So these are ready to be demolded, and I realized this morning when I was editing my videos that I wasn't so close. The camera was kind of up more, so I'm sorry about that. I tried to pull it closer this time so you can see, but these are still a little bit soft, which is perfect if you were going to do key rings. And like I said, if you see the little extras, you just pull them right off. They came out of the mold. Like I was messy with it. It just comes right off. It's hard to get the color shift in my art studio. Turn off that light. It's kind of better in natural light. I can't wait to demold the hearts. I'm really excited about those. I think this one is my favorite. This one's the purple to blue. This one's like a green. It has almost teal in it. So those are the tails, and then let's do the hearts. The reason why you are able to see the color in the mold with the hearts is because, like I said, they're interference colors, and this was a darker mold, so the colors popped. Trying to get that color shift for you. That one goes there. Gosh, this is so pretty. Look at that. This is Mermaid Lagoon. I'm really liking these hearts. That's the last one. So pretty. So guys, you can do that in any mold that you want. You can mix it up, brush some different colors. Maybe if you wanted to do just the tail color shift and the you know, the flipper part and this part a different color, whatever you want to do, you can switch it up. Use your imagination, have fun. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any questions, you can leave it in the comments. I try the best I can to answer everybody. And thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.